Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be talking about how to analyze the forex chart. Yeah, I've done some like this on my channel, so if you like, you go and check it out. But this is another one. I'll call this one the part 2. So yeah guys, see you an ups again on this one. So guess what, let's do it. If you click on my video, we're going straight into the report. I don't like to waste too much time because I don't even like to watch a video with too much interest. So yeah guys, if you want to analyze the chart, like, there are a few things to do. Analyzing the chart, technical analysis in particular, is what I'm going to do here, and it's a very simple thing to do, for real, and you will see it from here now. Technical analysis is really very simple. So the first thing I'll do here, to analyze the chart, I want to know if the market is a trending market or a consolidating market. If it's a trending market or a consolidating market, write these two things down. If it is a trending market or a consolidating market. So this market we're seeing here, this is Bitcoin, by the way. So I'm using Bitcoin for this example. This is a consolidating market. So if you look here, this market has been consolidating for a while. From this, as it's not really doing anything significant, it is just consolidating, it's just remaining in one place, and it has been doing this for a while. So what we want to do is to take notes of the fact that, okay, first of all, this market is consolidating, and it's not doing anything. Give me a minute guys. Yeah, I'm back. So guys, knowing the fact that this is a consolidating market, what you want to do is to draw a zone around the consolidative area. You want to draw something like this around this area that the market has been playing around. You want to draw something like this, and when you finish drawing something like this, you don't want to trade this market. You don't want to be in this market, because trust me, if you go and search records, this is the market that people lose the most money. And not trading a consolidative phase is one thing, but being able to identify a consolidative phase is one thing. So yeah guys, the first thing you want to do, you want to draw a zone around it, and not just drawing a zone around it. You want to wait and you want to monitor this market. This is where you want to come back and, okay, yeah, I've drawn a face around, I've drawn a zone around it. Now, and I'm waiting to see this something, and this is the thing you're waiting to see in particular. You're waiting to see if the market will break out something like this. For example, the market will do something like this, break out, retest it, and continue up. And mind you, the market can fake you out and all those things, but if you wait to take a trade from an area like this, then you stand a chance to win this market, or you stand a chance to make profit. And even if you lost a trade like this, you did almost everything right, so you don't even have anything to worry about. So if you take a trade like this, then definitely you're on the right side. So yeah, this is the first thing. Know if the market is consolidating or trending. So in this case, and this is Bitcoin, by the way, the market is consolidating. So what we want to do, we want to wait for a breakout, then a test, then we'll follow the trend up. So this is the first way, or this is the first type of market, and this is how to enter or trade it. By the way, I'm not only showing you how to analyze, I'm also showing you a way to trade the market. So guys, the next phase we'll try now is a trending market, and let's look for pound and gold has been trending recently. So that is going to be a very good point or opportunity to try. So yeah guys, in this phase you can see that pound and gold has been trending for a while. But let me analyze the recent market data. So as you can see, pound has, the real trend is a downtrend, but what we could see here from a 4 hour is an uptrend. This is the most valid trend right now. Like, what's your definition of an uptrend? I said it in my last video. It's higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So guys, as you can see, the market has been doing higher highs and higher lows. So for example, let me clear the chart now. Let me clear this chart now so I could do a fresh analysis and we could see for ourselves. So guys, if you pay attention to this market now, you will see that this market have done some. By the way, I did a video about support and resistance, so I won't really go into support and resistance here. But here, what I'm about to drop now is my resistance. So this is my resistance up there, and I'm going to drop the next one called my support. So as you can see, support and resistance is a very important tool in technical analysis. You need to know how to draw your support and resistance accurately to be able to do a technical analysis. So yeah, this one I'm drawing now is just a top up to make it beautiful or handsome. But it's not really needed. You could just use a horizontal line and you're good. But me, I like to do it like this. This is the way I like it. This is how I like to see my chart. So yeah, so as you can see, this is my support and resistance here. So now looking at this chart, during my support and resistance, I'm only wanting to pay attention to the market when it taps any of my level, either my resistance or my support. So from what you see here, if the market taps my resistance, then I'll be looking to sell, because as you can see, the last time it tapped my resistance, it dropped. So I'm anticipating that the next time it gets to my resistance, it is also going to drop. And then if it comes back to my support, I am going to buy. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. If the market taps my support, I am buying. If it taps my resistance, I am selling. So that's very simple. So now let's move on to a really trending phase in this market. So guys, if you look here, you're going to see that this market here has been coming down, doing lower lows and lower highs, which is the definition of a downtrend. So you might be asking, how do I trade this market now? In this case, what you want to do is to come in still with your support and resistance. Look for those areas that the market must have touched more than once, that really sticks out. You draw your support and resistance just like what I'm doing here. You could copy this. As you can see, I'm drawing in levels that the market has tapped before, and I've tested them more than once. So as you can see, where I drew it here the first time, the market tapped it here, came down, tapped it again, came down, broke this structure. But before it broke this structure, it tapped in here, came down, almost tapped it here, but tapped it here, broke, still came down again. So all the levels I drew out are really sticking out. So if you even check critically, this one here is the last one we drew. It also tapped here and came down. So what you want to do now, this market moves in higher highs and higher lows, or in a downtrend like this one we are analyzing now, is lower lows and lower highs. What you want to do is to draw your support and resistance and pay attention to where the market, when the market is coming back to your zone. Now let's take for an instant, this is a lower low and lower high. You want to draw your support and resistance in an areas like this, or in areas like this. You want to draw your support and resistance in areas like this. You want to draw them in areas like this. You want to draw them in areas like this. Why? Because the market will come back to test these areas, and it does this almost all the time. The market will come back to test these areas and drop down again. So this is how the market works. So if you're trading the foreign exchange market, you should pay attention to technical analysis. As retail traders like we are, pay close attention to technical analysis. And now, if you're paying attention to technical analysis, you want to know that the market moves in this zigzag manner, and this zigzag manner has definitions. For your uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. For downtrend like this is lower lows and lower highs. So in this case, where is the best place to take a trade? I know that's a question in your mind. So you want to take a trade from an area like this. You want to take a trade from an area like this, guys. You take a trade from an area like this, you put your stop loss above and put your take profit below. So this is something you want to pay attention to and practice it. Watch this video more than once to make sure it sticks. And yeah guys, by the way, thanks for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm really grateful, and I'm really young on this platform. I would love your subscription, and I would just love everything you do to help me grow.